Hey all, welcome to ShareTrack. This is Raj here. In this video, I'll be talking about Crispr Therapeutics earnings release, which just happened today. And before I start, I request that you press the subscribe and notify button to help grow this channel. That said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. Yesterday, I released a YouTube Shorts video with key points from Crispr Therapeutics earnings release. Crispr was the top gainer in our list of stocks, coming in with a gain of 13% by the end of the trading session. What caused such a bullish move on the stock? Well, there are many factors and we have been aware of it. But when earnings results are announced, some of the bullish thesis gets confirmed, and that allows such bullish moves for the stock price, which is exactly what happened today. Crispr Therapeutics came out with a quarterly loss of 67 cents per share versus the consensus estimate of a loss of $1.67. This compares to loss of $2.32 per share a year ago. These figures are adjusted for non-recurring items. This is a very, very strong performance and warrants a jump in share price by itself. This quarterly report represents an earnings surprise of 59.88%, which is a very, very strong return. Crispr Therapeutics posted revenues of $100 million for the quarter, which ended in March 2023, surpassing the consensus estimate by 165%. This compares to a year ago revenues of $0.94 million in the past. The company in the past has topped consensus revenue estimates just once over the last 4 quarters, so this is again significant. It's difficult to predict revenues for companies like these, as I mentioned in my earlier videos, and in this instance, the revenue is mostly from Vertex, so that's what gives this strong revenue performance. The sustainability of the stock's immediate price momentum based on the recently released numbers and future earnings expectations will mostly depend on how the market perceives the market management's commentary on the earning call. We'll keep track of that as we go ahead. Crispr Therapeutics shares have added about 37.2% since the beginning of the year versus the S&P 500's gain of 7.7%. So our friends like Michael Mathoff, who have been holding Crispr Therapeutics, must be having a great time making off like bandits, or at least would have recovered the redness in their portfolio and gone into more of a green. With Exacel BLA complete and expecting monetization by Q1 2024, we also have VCTX 210 making progress along with the more intensified collaboration with Vertex that has taken over ViaCyte. This means that the interest in type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes therapies is concentrated between Crispr Therapeutics and Vertex, and monetization in this area is imminent in 2024 and could be a potential gold mine in terms of revenue as market size of diabetes is substantial. My only regret is that I do not hold Crispr shares, even though I have been absolutely impressed by the company and I have been a great fan of the company. I wish I had bought Crispr shares when it was cheap, but I'm going to wait for my opportunity because share prices don't go up in a straight line. They come down, consolidate, and then move up again. So next time I get an opportunity, I'm going to grab some Crispr share for myself. That's all for now from me, my friends. I will catch up with you in the next video. Bye for now.